Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to cover high ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're someone that's completely brand new to the idea of making these higher priced commissions, then you're in the right place. Now, I'm going to share with you how you can make $2,000 or more per commission. That's one referral to a product that you don't even have to create yourself. Now you can see on the screen right here, it says, "Hey Garrett." This was actually an email of a affiliate commission I received of a $2,000 commission. So you can see what's possible. And what I'm gonna do inside this video is I'm literally gonna share with you, first off, how to find the right high ticket affiliate program to promote. There's a lot of them out there. They're not all created equal. And as you follow me and learn the criteria I use over the last 6 years to choose the right program, I think you're gonna have a lot of light bulbs going off. I'm also gonna share with you how to quickly build an affiliate website. Now, what I mean by that is, as I'll cover a little bit later in this video, there's a major problem that most affiliate marketers are doing when it comes to marketing online. Now, this is making you miss out on close to 90% of the money. And just with this one little hack, as you'll see in a little bit, you can dramatically increase your earning. I'm also going to share with you a few secrets to generating traffic. Now, I have a lot of other videos on my channel dedicated to specific traffic methods, but in this video, I'm going to share some principles you can use specifically for these high ticket commissions. Now, be sure you stay to the very end of the video because you're even going to discover how to start profiting in as little as 20 minutes a day from scratch. That's zero following, zero experience, and zero technical ability. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Also, get my free 4-day affiliate marketing crash course below, and you can also find out how to partner personally with me and my team with our #1 high-paying affiliate program. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's training. So first off, again, if you're completely brand new, what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? Because again, it's very different than regular affiliate marketing. Now, basically what happens is you become an affiliate of a company that has higher priced products. So one of the benefits of promoting these higher priced products is based on your income goal, you only need 1 or 2 of these sales to create life-changing income. You know, one commission at a $2,000 price point can allow a lot of people to live for that entire month. So it's absolutely incredible. Now, you promote these products, and every time you refer a customer through your link, you will earn commissions. So you will get your own affiliate link, your own link tracked to you, and that's how the company owner, the product creator, knows you made that referral, and they will pay you. Now, high ticket affiliate products typically pay commissions of $250 or more per referral. That's what sets it apart. So again, if you do low ticket, if you have a goal of a $10,000 a month income, you would need hundreds at a lower price point. But with this, only 5 sales a month at a $2,000 commission price point, and you're hitting your income goal. Now, how do you find a high ticket program to promote, right? How do you find the right one? Because like I said, there are some out there. Well, first off, you can use affiliate networks such as ClickBank and JVZoo to find high ticket products. So for example, this right here is ClickBank. I've covered it in some of my other videos. This is a big marketplace of a lot of different types of products, from health and fitness, making money online. You can actually start here. You can create a free account inside of ClickBank, and then you can go and filter by the highest paying product. Now, JVZoo, this is another place, okay? So you can go here. JVZoo is more software type products. And what you can do is you can find products. Now, I will say these 2 places pay you a little bit slowly, okay? So they're not my #1 recommendation. And also you have to give a portion of the money away to the product creator. And typically it's a lot of the money, okay? So it could be 50% of the commission you're still having to give to the product creator. Now, at the first link below, you can actually discover how to partner with myself and my team with my #1 instant paying affiliate program. The reason I like that is because you get to keep up to 90 or more % commissions, and you get paid instantly, okay? High ticket commissions. So you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. Now, why is it crucial, okay? And this is what I touched on earlier in the video, the major problem that most struggling affiliate marketers are having. And if you've been doing affiliate marketing for any period of time, chances are, if you didn't know this, what I'm about to cover, you were leaving tons of money on the table and struggling to create sales. Why it's crucial to have a funnel when promoting. Now, first off, what is a funnel? A funnel consists of a page to capture your leads' contact information before sending them to the affiliate link or sales page. Now, I want you to see this online whiteboard right here. This is why most people struggle, because this is what people mostly do when they do affiliate marketing. So they go out there, they work to get traffic. This is simply visitors to a link. Maybe they make a post on Facebook, maybe they do Twitter, maybe they post on TikTok, YouTube. They get traffic, right? They get visitors to a link, but what most people are doing is they're sending it right to the sales page, right to the affiliate link. And why is this a problem? Because as you can see right here, 1 out of 100 people may buy right away, okay? And especially at a higher price point, that number may be even more, okay? So you may need, 150 people for someone to buy right away. So you get very few commissions with this specific strategy. But if you could do a different strategy, okay, if you could do this strategy here, this is how you need to do it if you really want to generate those commissions, okay? So there's just one extra step. So you still get traffic, okay? You need to be posting, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, you get traffic, and rather than sending them right to the sales page, we put in this page, okay? This is a capture page. Now, this is a page with a headline and a box that collects our prospects' information, their name, their email, okay? The more information, the less people, but they're more qualified that will put their email in or their information in. So we do that. Now what happens is 2 things happen simultaneously. When they put their email or their name and email in there, it's gonna take them to now the sales page. But what also happens, and this is the real beauty, they get added to something called an email list. Now, this is just your list of email addresses of prospects that shown interest in whatever you're promoting. Now, what happens is with this email list, you can have pre-written automatic email messages that start going out to your leads, following up with them. Understand this, the fortune is in the follow-up. Most people are not gonna buy right away. But when you do it this way, okay, they get added to an email list, email 1 sends back to the sales page, email 2 sends back to the sales page. What's gonna happen is they're gonna see it multiple times. Now, it's been shown in a lot of studies online, it can take on average 7 to 12 exposures, 7 to 12 times for someone to see something to make a buying decision. So when we do that, it's gonna lead to much higher payouts, especially since we're doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, I wanna share with you an example of a capture page just so you can see more of what I'm talking about. Okay, so this right here, this is an example of a capture page. So you can see it has a headline, it has a button, and when they click that button, they can put in their name right here and then their email, okay? And then when they click there, it takes them to now the affiliate link. Now, like I said, 90% of people will not buy the first time they see the sales page, so then you can follow up through emails to convert them. Now, one thing I want to share with you is you want to focus on getting 30 or more leads opting into your funnel a day, okay? This should be your goal initially. Sometimes people come to me, they say, Garrett, I'm promoting, but I'm not making any sales. And then I ask them, well, how many leads, how many people per day are putting in their name and email? And a lot of times they're like, oh, 1 or 2. This is not enough. You need to focus on at least 30, because once you start getting 30 qualified people, if you're using the right traffic strategies I share in my 4-day affiliate marketing crash course for free at the link below, traffic strategies I've shared before. When you use the right traffic strategies, you can do that, okay? Now with this amount, you'll start seeing sales. It will start to snowball. You'll start having, daily commissions coming in because it's the right people and you're having these people getting followed up with on autopilot. Now, what I highly recommend you do is you focus on one main traffic method you enjoy and make it a goal to get 30 leads a day, okay? Now, I say one traffic method you enjoy. A lot of people, maybe yourself, you think, oh, there's some secret best traffic source that you don't know about. And what I wanna kind of help you understand is there's no real best traffic method. It's which one do you enjoy the most? Are you naturally on Instagram? Well, start focusing on traffic on Instagram. Are you naturally on Twitter? Focus on Twitter. Pick one you can enjoy because then you can stay consistent. Now, this can be free or paid, okay? Both work. So if you have more time and not a lot of money, I would start with free. If you have less time and more extra money, then you can start with paid traffic. You can invest into traffic, sending it to a funnel to start to get these sales coming in. One of the last things I want to share with you in this specific training is how to scale. So once you start succeeding, once you start getting 30 or more leads a day that are hyper qualified, you start making these high ticket commissions, I highly recommend you reinvest your earnings. As you make sales, reinvest back into advertising to scale your business. Now, it's a good idea to take at least 30% of your earnings and reinvest, okay? So for example, if you made $1,000, then I would take 300 of those dollars and reinvest back into paid advertising. This is gonna allow you to constantly scale, constantly grow your business, so every single month you're making more and more money, rapidly hitting your income goal. Now make this a habit, okay? Stick with it every week. If you have a phone, you could put a reminder on your phone, every Monday morning to invest 30% of what you made last week. And as you follow what I shared in this training, as you follow what I share in my crash course, you're gonna be able to dramatically increase your earnings and really see the results you want. So there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value. I know this video was shorter, more to the point, but I wanted to share with you just the basic steps for high ticket affiliate marketing so you can go out there equipped and ready to start to make the commissions you truly deserve. Now, if you got value, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the bell icon on this channel for more training just like this. Also, go down below under this video, get my free 4-day crash course with affiliate marketing to learn some key secrets to make your first $2,000 online, as well as have the chance to partner with our team with the #1 affiliate program. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next training.